जंगल में कितना प्रकार के चीज उपजता। हमरा तो बुझाता है काली मिर्च के हई जौन लतर खानी चढ़ल बतौने याद करवा हां लिया पता नहीं कुछ आगे खाया या साबुत खा लिया।
What you see black, then there is a skin inside. I'll show you. That is a black skin. Then see, there is another skin inside. So I'll show you. See this, what you see. No, that also came off actually, because when I pulled off, there is another. Can you see there is a skin? This. But then what happens is, because on the other side there is no bean, it becomes round.
Okay.
I understand.
This is because pollination is
only one pollinated out of the two cotyledons. No, one pollinated. So what happens now is, this is the expensive coffee. You know why? When you put it in the roaster, see, this will roll nicely in the roaster. It will get evenly roasted. See this, no? If it falls like this on the roaster, see, it will not roll. Understand? So this side will get a little burnt, and this. But now
this is costly.
That is why this is coffee. That is because in the olden days it used to be like you used to roll and dry. Now it is air fry. They blow it into the air and fry it. So even this pea berry.
Okay.
Now it is air fry. No, in the air they blow the coffee into the air, and because of the heat it gets fried. So even this will get evenly fried. Even small, you can control the thing and all that. Understand? So basically this is how. And then the big sizes will be size A, smaller size will be size B and size C. Like that.
So size C is
cheapest.
Cheapest.
Cheapest, yes, because I'll show you. That's where we are drying pepper now. We dry coffee also there. See now these, because during the picking season, this is new machines which have come. These are mechanical dryers. Usually it takes 15 days to dry the coffee. You have to pluck it, it will be ripe, then moisture has to go, you have to pile it. But in this 15 hours, you can do it in 15, 20 hours. Yeah, drying machine. That's why, because it means 5 tons it will be. Like that.
5 ton is a big...
No, 5 ton.
And then out of 5 ton, you may be getting half a ton of coffee.
No, we'll get half of it will become, 40% will become cherry. Like this, 40% it will be. And of the 40%, another 50% of the 40% will be this bean.
Oh, okay.
That is how. So you can, if you walk a little, flowers, like it smells like jasmine, no? It smells like jasmine.
Oh, we didn't smell it.
Okay, we'll go. I'll go now. We'll go. Come, we'll have a thing.
Achha, this is just got over now. Now again.
No, we had a blossom. One shower in December, there was blossom. And this year the rains are late. It should have rained by now. Summer rain should have started. It has not started. So we are doing irrigation with sprinklers, no?
Oh, okay.
The temperatures go up to even 45, 48 degrees inside this.
Inside.
When the sun comes.
Oh, this is that pepper.
Pepper, yes. This is being dried.
We have... I took 3 papers, no? It is
That
original, no? So it is very,
what happens is, usually after the oil will come out and then condense it.
But you sell it like that.
Like this only, yes.
Then they will take out first oil.
They will take based on the size. The bigger size, this is size 8, TGSCB, TGRB. And the thing is, this T, stands for a place called Tellicherry. That was during the Portuguese time. That was the first place in the world where pepper was traded. So even now, it's in Kerala, this place called Tellicherry. So this place called Tellicherry is in Kerala. Even in America, or you go to even Vietnam, anywhere, the size is mentioned, this TGSCB, TGRB. No? This in another 2 days.
Achha, this is...
Yesterday, what they plucked yesterday from the tree. It's just not yet...
But it's very, very hot. Actually, I have
you put your hand inside this, so you can feel it ferment. You put your hand inside.
No, eating.
See, it's fermenting. It's fermenting.
So this is red and green in color?
Yeah. That is how it is from the tree. Okay. No, it is fermenting. You can feel the heat inside. Yeah. It's fermenting.
Okay. Yeah, white pepper is also.
this is white
you get
pepper.
White pepper.
But how this whole is white pepper only?
No, if you this ripe one, you can make it white pepper, but
Red
it's
one
not.
is the ripe one, na?
The red is the ripe one. The skin comes off for the ripe one.
Okay.
Because see, all the people you're dealing with are all, what do you call it? People are not educated, no? Very troubled, and they drink and this and that, and fights in our quarters and things like that. Then
Yeah.
they are sick and all. They,
You have to
they
take
don't
care of
go
that.
to a doctor. They'll go to an Ayurvedic doctor, or they'll go to a quack, and they are very happy and things like that. So it's very difficult looking after. Thing. Like for that, our estate is certified. Like in an acre of land in our estate, we have 12 different species of trees. I'll show you. We've got certificates, like certified. There is a certifying body, like all over the world, no, throughout the world. Like in Europe and all. Like we Indians claim that Europe is misusing us. They're not. Means they're taking advantage of our financial situation and things like that.
Yeah.
So to stop all that, now they have started something called certification. Like certification means the whole globe it should become uniform. The payment pays based on uniform means not like that is called Rainforest Alliance certification. Then there is certification for looking after the labor. It is called UT certificate, that we are giving the correct pay. We are looking after our labor as well. We give them all the medical aid and this and that, and their payment is at par with what that international standard is there. Then we have something called the AAA certification. That our quality is good. Like we don't, what do you call it, compromise on quality. So anyone who buys a product anywhere in the world which is certified, he's sure that he's getting good stuff. He's not ruining nature. He's not exploiting people. All that kind of things.
But this certification is foreign certification or Indian? The standards must be from.
No, it's a world body. In India, it's Indians who do it. In Europe, it is Europeans who do it. Like that, it is left to each.
But regulated by Indian.
No, regulated by the whole world. Like certain chemicals and pesticides, they're not banned in India, but they don't allow us to use it because they say it's harmful either to nature or either to the people. I mean, the people or something like that, or to wild animals. See, I'll see here, for example.
There it is.
There, see here, right one there.
Achha, so this also, fig also you are plucking and...
No, this is a wild. Means wild. No, it takes water from 100 feet down and brings it up, leaves it on the soil around. That is why you look at around the fig tree, the plants will be very healthy. It takes...
but it means that its root goes down
that deep. Means you see the fig tree, like this. Twice as much root has gone below. Any tree, you see the height of the tree,
No, it can't happen. This tree is, how much? 5, 10, 50. At least 60 to 70 feet.
The root would have gone that much. That's it. You can, there.
So this is the mother plant and from there.
All those are the thing. Means, this is the biggest one. Even that can be the mother plant. See, because that also is big. Understand? There, can you see that one?
And then it becomes mother plant like that. It continues.
Like that, continuous.
400 years old.
I've got one 600 years old.
600
years. Can you get the smell? That jasmine smell?
Yeah.
That is the flower.
They come inside.
Oh.
This is state.
Achha, this is elephant. Achha, they
Elephant
come.
dung is there. The elephant is not well. What happened is now summer, the food is not proper, the water and all, so it's not well. It's got some boron deficiency, it is called. So it's got some loose motion, like that.
That elephant.
Yeah. Sometimes they even die during the summer, because the estate is 250 acres. 250 acres.
Yours only?
No, mine is 125. Our families. Half is my uncle, half is ours.
And then Tata must be...
Tata is having 3,000 acres. Tata, right, 3,000. Just this estate is 3,000 acres. Totally, Tata has 20,000 acres.
Oh, yeah.
20,000. Put water, Now after a week, that will also flower. You can smell it. Like jasmine smell.
Jasmine is actually much in demand, no, for this south side. So I thought this is flower only. Okay, okay. So this is
Coffee flower, coffee flower.
so this variety is jasmine coffee, right?
No. This is Arabica. The smells like coffee blossom smells like jasmine. Coffee blossom also smells just like jasmine. See, can you see the bees? You must be careful. Pollen is going on. Yes, yes.
the bees over there.
Achha, bees only do the pollination.
Yeah. You know, there is this Arabica is self-pollinated. This Robusta has to be pollinated by the bee. This is a jamlam tree. See, can you see this big one? This one. That one is a jamlam.
But all they maintain ecosystem, no? It will come down and it will become organic
manure. See,
manure.
all this is organic manure. This plant, no? This is stem borer. Can you see this cloth? It has been wound with.
Yeah.
This is this cloth. This plant has been affected by the stem borer. Stem borer is an insect. It eats into the plant and bores up the plant inside, so the plant becomes weak and dies.
From inside.
It eats all the inside of the plant. Okay.
So this is the protection you have built.
No, not for protection. What happens is, out of 100 plants that are affected by the stem borer, only about 40-50 of them really die. The others will survive.
Okay.
And once this stem borer has attacked a plant, next time it cannot come and attack the plant again. Even what the mother comes there and puts its body there and vibrates on the plant before it lays its eggs. It will, with the sound of the thing, it can make out if this is an affected plant or not. If it's an affected plant, it will not lay its eggs, because its eggs will not survive. The inside has all been eaten up, no? And when the egg hatches, because there is nothing inside to eat, the egg will fail. Okay. So this plant has already been attacked. That is why it has been wound. What we do is, once a plant, it comes and lays its egg on the skin. The grubs, the egg hatches. When it hatches, the mouth is not sharp enough to bore into the wood. So in between the skin and the wood, there is one sweet layer. It's a sweet layer. It means, so it eats that and goes around till its mouth is sharp enough to bore into the wood. Then it eats into the wood. So because it is eaten around, it leaves a mark. So by seeing the mark, we can make out if the plant is affected or not. So once a plant is affected, in the olden days what we used to do is we used to pull out the plant and throw it. Because it lays around 20 eggs. One insect goes and lays 2-3 places it leaves 20 eggs and all that. So once these eggs have been laid, all that 20 eggs will hatch and it will eat inside, and all the 20 eggs will hatch and become 20 insects which will go and lay another 20. So that it's spread.
Kind of replication
So once a plant is affected, we used to pull out the plant and throw it. But now, see, we have found a thing. With research station people, I gave them, that is in Kannada.
Sempi Koli.
Sampige.
Sempige Koli.
Kolli means valley. Sampige means Champak. Valley of Champak. That is it. Sampige.
Champak. English name is what you said?
Champak, no?
Champak only.
No, that that Champak. Yeah, that flower, no, from the tree. You all use for puja and all, no?
Down there is Kaveri river, but the way is not known, so could not go. It may be half kilometer to 1 kilometer only. That down